see if I hang this below the railing. Maybe I can get a shot. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think Grandpa already darted.
Mokoli is also known as Chinaman Tat. Now, not a translation whatsoever, just a whole nother nickname altogether. Us Hawaiians, we've always Ki'i or Tiki, K-I-I or T-I-K-I, statues. Now, we'll start with the one here to the right, work our way up to the left. He is the god of war and navigation, one of our most popular gods. Mainly for war, but also a whole lot of people came down here from China and Japan. That's why you see tons of us native Hawaiians hapa, mixed with either Chinese or Japanese. I myself am Hawaiian, Maori, Tahitian, Chinese, and Japanese. So a whole lot of cultures, whole lot of mixes. That's kind of how you see a lot of us Hawaiians is hapa, mixed nowadays. Now they gave that island that nickname during that era in time, just kind of stuck them out right then and there. Back in the day, we had no sort of jails back in the day. You're either in or you're just in the way, and you never wanted to be in the way, especially when it comes to the chiefs. Now, we have our god Lono up over here for peace, agriculture, and fertility. To kind of start our more expedition part of the tour itself. This is where we do start our bit of a climb. Different plant life, we'll break down a whole lot more stuff like that. But from here on out, it'll just kind of be a cruise all the way through. This is where we do pick up tons more speed. So just want to keep that in mind. Don't want you guys losing anything.
sorry, they're a little wet. I wet them just to make them more pliable. Of course.
Anything nowadays.
I know, Russ. Having this conversation with the guy.
Thank you.
You skipped it?
Oh, you can just not say anything.
Yeah. So those.
Yeah, don't touch it. My brain is not
All we did was just with money. That's all. That's all. So the weaves are perfect. This is how you're weaving it in. You have all this right here. So we went all we did was.
Yeah, now you know why I spent so much money on it.
Lono Makahiki, one of our gods, the god of Lono, peace, agriculture, fertility. And when he came here, he just ate it up. The people thought he was a god.
It doesn't matter, the car is still good. Anything, we just feel her about to name me. Can we stop harassing my plushies?
Oh yeah, the tracker from when we were doing hike.
I go on Venmo because it's 60. Yes, 60,000
Fun fact. I got a spent daddy car.
I know you did. You also spent that on.
Yeah, it was orange.